Hello, my lovelies. For those of you who are new, my name is Nicole and welcome to Kids OT Help. Today we're going to be diving into developmental milestones for 18 months of age. But before we get going, I just want to tell you guys that down below in the description box is a link to my completely free toddler activities list. This list I've put together has over 60 different activity ideas for you to incorporate at home with your kiddo or out in the community. I have even broken down this list by the 5 main categories of development: fine and gross motor, social emotional, language, and cognitive skills. So I'm hoping that list makes your life just a little bit easier on those days that you're not quite sure what to do with your kiddo and you want something that will enhance their development but is super easy and simple to put together. All right, guys, let's get into it. When it comes to fine motor skills, your 18-month-old is now able to eat with a spoon, drink from a cup, Was it good?
Yeah.
I think you're done. What do you think? Your 18-month-old is able to stack 2 or 3 blocks. They're able to place 2 shapes into the correct shape sorter, and they're able to assist with undressing themselves. When it comes to gross motor skills, your 18-month-old should be able to walk alone. Your 18-month-old might be walking up some steps, and your 18-month-old is also running. And finally, your 18-month-old is able to pull a toy while walking. When it comes to language skills, your 18-month-old is able to say several words, shakes head no, and finally, your 18-month-old is able to point at items that they want. When it comes to cognitive skills, your 18-month-old is now quite familiar with ordinary things such as a telephone, a comb, a fork. They're pointing to get the attention of others. They're beginning to show an interest in a stuffed animal or a doll. They're able to point to one body part.
Eyes.
They're starting to scribble on their own. And finally, they're able to follow one-step verbal commands without any gestures. So if you were just to say, sit down, or pick that up without any hand motions, your child's able to follow suit. When it comes to social emotional skills, your 18-month-old likes to hand things to others to play. Your 18-month-old may be demonstrating temper tantrums. They may be afraid of strangers. They show affection to familiar people. They're beginning to do simple pretend play, such as feeding a doll. They might cling to caregivers in new situations or unfamiliar settings. And they're beginning to explore alone with parents nearby. So these are signs that you may want to follow up with your physician. If your 18-month-old is not able to point to show things to other people, if your 18-month-old is not yet walking, if he or she does not know what familiar items are for, if they're not copying others, if they haven't gained new words, if they don't at least have 6 words, if he or she doesn't seem to notice when a caregiver returns or leaves, and finally, but most importantly, if your 18-month-old is losing skills that they had once acquired. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for 18 months of age, developmental milestones. I hope that was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Just click this little box here. And don't forget to get your free toddler list with over 60 different activities to keep your little ones busy. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.